In this video, I will show you how to add 90 days free to your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Due to the coronavirus, Adobe is offering to add 90 days free to their customers' Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. All you have to do to get the 3 months extension is log into your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Once you are logged in, click Support, then click Contact Us. You will get an automated message from the virtual assistant asking you what you need help with. I just typed, I understand that Adobe is extending the Creative Cloud subscription free due to the coronavirus. You will get an automated reply with some suggestions. Just select No. Then re-enter the question. You will be connected with a chat agent. Once I am connected to the chat agent, I re-entered the question. The agent came back and said, yes, I will provide you with 3 months. Some people said that they only offered them 2 months. Just tell them you heard they were offering 3 months and they will change it to 3 months. So that is how you can add a 90 days extension to your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription for free.